Title: The Psychology of Money, Understanding the Emotional Relationship with Wealth. Introduction. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is a thought-provoking exploration of the complex relationship between individuals and money. Drawing on insights from psychology, behavioral economics, and personal finance, Housel delves into the underlying emotions, biases, and behaviors that influence our financial decisions. This book's summary will provide a concise overview of the key ideas presented in this insightful work. Summary. 1. Money is more about mindset than math. Housel emphasizes that our financial success is primarily determined by our attitudes and behaviors towards money rather than complex calculations. He argues that cultivating a healthy mindset, such as focusing on long-term thinking and avoiding unnecessary risks, can be more beneficial than trying to outsmart the market. 2. The power of compounding. The concept of compounding is central to the understanding of wealth accumulation. Housel explains how patience and time are the most potent forces behind the exponential growth of investments. By taking advantage of compounding, individuals can gradually build substantial wealth over the long run. 3. The influence of luck. Acknowledging the role of luck in financial outcomes is crucial. Housel stresses that factors beyond our control, such as being born into the right circumstances or encountering favorable opportunities, often play a significant role in achieving financial success. Recognizing this helps develop humility and gratitude, avoiding the trap of overconfidence. 4. The impact of behavior on investing. Investing is not just about making rational decisions, it is profoundly influenced by our emotions and behavioral biases. Housel highlights common pitfalls such as fear, greed, and herd mentality, which can lead to impulsive actions and poor investment choices. Understanding these biases can help individuals make more informed and rational decisions. 5. The difference between being rich and looking rich. Housel challenges the notion that wealth is solely determined by outward displays of luxury or extravagant lifestyles. He argues that true wealth lies in financial security, freedom, and the ability to have choices. Focusing on building sustainable wealth rather than pursuing an image can lead to greater financial well-being. 6. The value of adaptability. Flexibility and adaptability are crucial traits for financial success. Housel highlights the importance of being able to adjust to changing circumstances, whether in the job market or economic landscape. Being open to learning, embracing new opportunities, and being resilient in the face of setbacks are key factors in long-term financial stability. Conclusion. The Psychology of Money offers valuable insights into the intricate relationship between individuals and money. By understanding the psychological aspects that influence financial decisions, readers can develop a more balanced and thoughtful approach to wealth accumulation. Housel's book encourages readers to embrace a mindset that prioritizes long-term thinking, humility, and adaptability, leading to greater financial well-being and peace of mind.